Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And it is the unboxing of our Mystery Box Monday. It is Purple Rain, part two. So not only did we have Purple Rain last week, but we had Purple Rain this week. And although the box is called the same thing, it is a totally different box. The value's different, the number of items in the box is different, and the contents are different. We only have 3 items that are the same, but only one is exactly the same. The other 2 is a different variation. So guys, we're going to jump right into the box and give you all of the clues that I gave on Monday and see how many guesses you had right or how many guesses you had wrong. And maybe you were just like on the fence and kind of indifferent as to whether or not you should have purchased the box. Well, this is the great opportunity for you to see what was in the box, feel more comfortable, and maybe you'll come back next Monday and buy the next box. So let's go over the Purple Rain box part 2. So the item that was in last week's box that was exactly the same are these socks, okay? So it's 2 pairs of socks, and remember the name of the box is called Purple Rain. So that means everything in this box is either purple, has something to do with the color purple, might have the name purple in it, but purple somehow is associated with every single item in this box. There are a total of 16 items in this box. The box retails for $117, but is sold for $40. So here we go. There's 2 pairs of socks. So this first pair is purple and gray, and the second pair, purple, gray, and white. And the second pair are purple and gray. Oh, there's stuff falling out the box. The next item is some Pantene shampoo. Now the shampoo's not purple, but you can see the label on it is purple. Remember, Purple Rain. So the items can be packaged in purple, are purple, have purple in the name. That something purple has to do with it. And this clue goes with, I said there was something, there's 2 things in the box for your hair. So this is one of them, okay? The next thing is Skintimate Skin Therapy Shaving Gel. And look, purple, purple, purple. And I'm really not sure if the foam is purple or white. And I don't want to spray it and use someone's foam, but you can see it has a purple top. Here is a Chic Intuition Purple razor, and it has lather and shave in one step. So you don't necessarily need the shave gel if you don't want to, but you can use it if you want. But you see it is purple. And this clue goes with something that you use on the hair or all over your body. So that's what that clue went to. Put these over here. Now, this was the hardest clue of them all. I said there was something in this box that was lemon scent. So I knew that threw a lot of people off because people are thinking purple. So they're thinking lavender and lily and things like that. And then I come and say it has a lemon scent. Well, this candle, this is a jar candle. And it's made from soy wax, and you can see how it's purple all over. And it smells really good, and you can see it says there's a lemon scent. So this was the hardest clue of them all. I said there were 2 things in the box that you use for your shoulders. And this is a grocery tote. So you can see it has purple all throughout it. And just to let you know, the size of the grocery tote is really big, but it's folded. So this is like the actual size of the grocery tote. It's a really nice size. Let me back up a little bit. So once you unfold it, you'll see how large it is. I love my grocery tote. I don't just use it for groceries. I use it as a pocketbook, a book bag, everything. And you can wipe it down just in case things spill on it. Okay, another thing, I said there was something in here that you use specifically for your nose. So this is Sinex Nasal Balm. You can see the purple all in the packaging. Okay, I said there was something in here that was for your feet, and that is the Dr. Scholl's bunion cushions. Okay, and you can see there's purple packaging all on this, all around. And oh, I said you could use this for your shoes when you're trying to be cute. So you could, this is a clue, but then this goes for that clue, but there's something else specific in this box that I really wanted to go with that clue. We'll get to it in a minute. Then here is Lady Speed Stick, again, packaged in purple. And I said this was something that you rub on your body, in particular, a part of your arm. So this box really has a lot of new items that we've never had in any of the boxes. Like the shave gel is new, the Sinex nasal balm is new, the Lady Speed Stick's new, the Dr. Scholl's bunion cushions are new, the tin candle is new, the Schick Intuition razor is new. I had said that there were two things in this box that was in the box from last week. And one of the things is the same item, just a different name and a higher grade, a higher, more expensive product. So the last week's box, we had the Skintimate razors, right? Well, this week's box, we have the Schick Intuition razors. And this razor sells for $11 in the store, whereas this razor usually sells for like $7 or $8. Okay, I also said there was a travel item in here. So that is this. This is a travel mug that I got. And I said I had got it from Dollar General. And you can see the Dollar General tag is still on it. It says good vibes only. And you can see that it's purple all throughout here. So you can put hot or cold things in here. This is really nice. A really nice mug, travel mug. Okay, next are some Dr. Scholl's high heel relief. Look, all that purple packaging. And this goes to the clue where I said this is something that you use for your shoes when you're trying to be cute. So you put these in your high heel shoes to help prevent high heel pain. There I am knocking everything over. As usual. As usual. Okay, now we have some John Frieda Frizz Ease hairspray. And I said there were two things in there that protect your hair. So that's one of them. And then here, and you see there's purple all in that. And then here is a hair bonnet, a purple hair bonnet. This was the other item that protects your hair. And a lot of you guys actually guessed hair bonnet. So that was really good. I was shocked at, with that. I thought you guys were going to just keep guessing like shampoo and things like that. Okay, the other item that I said was in the box last week that was in this box this week, but just had a different size, a smaller version, are the Always Discreet pads. So last week it was the bigger pack. I think I don't want to guess how many is in that pack, but it's the larger pack. That pack cost $6.50 at Dollar General, where this is the smaller pack that has 26 in it, and these cost $3.25. Okay, the other item that I said was in the box that we had from last week, but I said it had a different packaging. So that is the L'Oreal Daily Moisturizer, restores skin cushion and visibly smooths wrinkles. So the box, this comes in all, you see it's all purple, but the box that it comes in, that the one from last week, it didn't have all the purple here. It just had the purple down below. And I just want to open this up and see if this is a purple bottle or white bottle. Because I think the one from last week was purple. It just has a purple lining around it. Okay. So again, new items. We've never had a hair bonnet in the box, and we've never had hair spray. We've never had these high heel cushions either. Okay, and the last thing in the box, and this also goes for the item that you could use, that you put on your shoulders, is this clear purple tote bag, book bag, pocketbook, beach bag. I don't know what you want to call it, but I just think it's absolutely adorable. But look, it's purple all the way through. So guys, that is the Purple Rain box part 2. So I hope that you guys were able to get a lot of guesses right. I hope that if you were considering buying this box, that now you feel more comfortable with purchasing, and hopefully you'll come back next week and make a purchase, because you see the quality of the items, and you see that, you know, it's not like it's a bunch of dollar store stuff. It's not junk. It is a mystery box, but I guarantee you, if you buy a mystery box from me, you will be happy with the contents. So guys, that is everything that was in the mystery box. I thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to tune in this coming Monday at 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, where we will have a brand new box with brand new contents and a brand new theme. I will be live at 8 o'clock p.m. on Monday, not only just on Facebook, but on YouTube also. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. And until the next time, keep on saving.